Guys, welcome to Foodland, and today's recipe is called tomato omelette, or you can call tomato uttapam. It's a vegetarian breakfast recipe. This is very popular in India. It's a mixed blend of omelette and uttapam. And again, omelette without egg, guys. So it's a very quick and easy recipe and very filling and very healthy recipe. So let's get started, guys. We need 1 cup of semolina, which is Sooji. This is half a cup of rice flour, 3 to 4 tablespoons of gram flour, half a cup of roughly chopped onion, 1 large tomato, pinch of sugar to taste, and 2 green chilies, some ginger roughly chopped, coriander roughly chopped, cumin seeds, and salt as per taste, and oil. I'm going to get a big bowl and get the semolina, which is Sooji or Rava, soaked in some water. Mix it well and let it soak for around 15 to 20 minutes. I have added 1 cup of water and let the semolina or Sooji sit for around 15 to 20 minutes. I was making tea or getting ready for the morning. Soaked for around 20 minutes, and let's put other ingredients. It's very easy. Just 3 tablespoons of gram flour. You can call it a chickpea flour or besan. This is for binding. And rice flour, half a cup. This will give you crispiness in the tomato omelette. Again, everything is just added and the batter is ready already. Cumin seeds, onion, and main ingredient is tomato. So I took a big tomato. Just mix it well, and that's it. Check the consistency. It should be like a batter pouring consistency. So this is definitely not. And I forgot to, of course, put some sugar and salt to taste. It's around 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Add some water if need to be. As you see, the consistency should be like this, and you can taste the batter, check everything is fine. Get your skillet, turn the heat on medium high, and get some oil on a pan. Brush it the pan just like this. You can use either oil or ghee or butter. So I'm gonna show you how to pour it. Just like this. Alright, so some oil around the edges. And cover it for 2 minutes. Two minutes are done, and voila! Here you go. So you see the edges are turning brown, and this looks cooked. So I'm going to flip it to the other side. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Some more oil on the edges, around the edges, to get it cooked the other side. And once, you don't have to cover it now, you just keep it as is on a medium high flame. Just gently press with spatula. Wait for another 2 minutes and flip it over. Oh, look at this. You should have this slightly golden brown color. And this is done. This is ready to be served. So here you go, this tomato omelette is ready for you. This is a very filling and healthy recipe. And since it's a breakfast recipe and we are in rush, I'm just going to have a ketchup of any choice. This is hot and sweet ketchup. And some butter. Some salted butter. Here you go. Just on the side. And you can have it with coconut chutney or any kind of chutneys. Thanks for visiting Foodland again, and thanks for watching this recipe. Stay tuned for more such recipes. Alright, so if you like this recipe, please do hit the like button and share with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. And see you next time. Bye.